Chill, chill. It's a 35 here.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we finished the G-Wagon and we also got this Hellcat in that probably within a day we were able to finish these green seatbelts on it to match the outside color really well. So right now we're gonna go fill it up. Russ is driving. Gonna go fill it up and that's it. Give it back to the customer, easy one-day thing. But let's see how she rips. It's kind of weak, no? Chill, it's a 35 here. Oh. Yeah, it was gonna be that fun.
What do you mean fun?
Well, remember we thought it was gonna be like boring or something? It's gonna be like kind of meh, everything clinking and everything.
This is a fun car.
It's a fun car.
The way it winds.
Because I had an M5, you have a 335 tuned. But this, if you've never driven one, drive one. Like, this is a very fun car.
Indeed, agreed.
Also got this Ghost in because the dashboard was bad, so let's take a look at the Ghost. All right, so this Rolls Royce is a 2015 Ghost. And it looks like it was sitting out in the sun for a while because the dash peeled up and it only has 14,000 miles. So that's crazy for a car like this to have the dash peel up, but yep, that's why it's here. I'll show you what the dash looks like. Yep, so it's peeled up pretty bad. Alright guys, so we have pretty much all the panels taken off from the sides that holds the headliner up. So now we're going to start taking all of these weather strippings off in order to start lowering the headliner. As you can see, the headliner is already coming down a little bit. So we're going to try and pull this sucker out, probably sideways, put these seats down, and then start marking them to make the holes for the Starlight. The Starlight should be here any day now, and this should be pretty quick. And this is for, I'm not going to mention the name of who this is for, but maybe you might find out. Let's go.
Probably shouldn't do that because these are...
There we go.
These are...
Currently laying down on the bottom of the G-Wagon because the headliner just fell on top, so I had to catch it. Are you ready?
Yeah, you can let it go.
Okay. So now we're gonna have to loosen it up from there and pull it out. So in order for us to take the headliner out, we have to take off the seat because obviously you can see it's not going to fit at all. So we're gonna take out the seat and then tilt it and then pop the headliner out.
This was a lot easier than yours.
Alright guys, so I was not able to show you guys all the holes and everything that we did for the G-Wagon, but we put it all in together. It was just very stressful. A lot of things were happening. It was really hard to film, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like now on the G-Wagon. Everything looks dope. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Smash that subscribe button, leave a like, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.